Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair has traded sideways in the last session. The MACD remains in positive territory. Bitcoin has lost 3.6% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator transitioned into the neutral zone. The price of gold has remained as is in the last session. The ATR remains high volatility. The price of crude oil has traded sideways in the last session. The MACD remains in the positive zone.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
U.S. crude oil production has stabilized and is set to start rising again after the massive shock last year caused by the coronavirus epidemic and a volume war in the oil market between Saudi Arabia and Russia. Soros, the man who broke the Bank of England, and other investors betting against Trainline have made it one of the most shorted companies on the London Stock Exchange. During the COVID-19 pandemic, China has been one of the only major economies to have posted growth, and as a result, Beijing is becoming increasingly confident that it is on an equal footing with the West.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The U.S. ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 GMT. The U.S. Market Services PMI at 1345 GMT. The U.S. Market PMI Composite at 1345 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI will be released at 030 GMT. Japan's labor cash earnings at 2330 GMT. Japan's overall household spending at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.